In this video, we are going to navigate through Online Parts Counter. Here are some of the features and benefits of Online Parts Counter. Online Parts Counter allows you to place orders anywhere, anytime. It gives you the ability to create saved orders. You have full access to invoice and pending parts tickets with GTG. You will have full access to most major parts manufacturers' catalogs, the ability to use the cross-reference tab, and coupons will automatically be applied to every order. To get started, visit gtgpeterbilt.com. Select the Online Parts icon. You're now directed to the login page. Now that you're on the Online Parts Counter screen, you can enter your username or password. If you are new to Online Parts Counter, click here to request access. Enter your credentials. After you enter your zip code, you will be directed to choose the GTG Peterbilt that will best suit your business. When you have completed your information and selected your GTG Peterbilt location, simply click Submit. An email will be sent to the dealer to grant you access. Once approved, you will receive an email that directs you to the Online Parts Counter homepage with a temporary login and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Online Parts Counter home screen. To check on inventory, pricing, coupons, or order a part, simply click the Stock Check tab found here at the top left or here on the bottom of your screen. To check on the pricing availability of a part, you can enter the part number here. Click Stock Check. Your part number, description, and automatically attached coupons will show up with your dealership's availability. A good point to remember, you can only order from your assigned dealership. To begin the checkout, first click Add to Cart. You have the option to continue shopping and leave this item in your cart, or to continue to check out, select View Cart. In the checkout screen, you have the ability to place additional comments to your dealership or continue to check out. From top to bottom, you will see shipping information, a shipping address that is preloaded, a selection of shipping methods, the payment method is preloaded, and the billing address is preloaded. If a PO is necessary, here is where it can be added. When complete, click Place Order, and your GTG dealership will take it from here. To access order history, click here. You can search by PO number or choose a date range. If you click additional filters, you can choose your store and choose pending, invoiced, or issued credit, and even canceled orders. This is a great and efficient way to find invoices or check the status of pending orders. Another tool is the Saved Order icon. To use the Saved Orders function, click here. Start by selecting Create a New Order. Give the new order a title. Click Save. Return to your Stock Check screen. Enter parts you wish to be saved in the saved order. When complete, at the top, click Add to Saved Order. Select the saved order that you want the parts to fall into. From your main screen, you can now go to Saved Orders. Select your labeled order. Select the item you would like to stock check, and then select Stock Check. And then from here, you will simply add to cart and proceed to the checkout. If you ever need to find this video again, go to gtgpeterbilt.com, select the Departments tab, select Parts, select the PACCAR Online Parts Counter, and the OPC instructional video will be placed here. Thank you for listening from everyone here at GTG Peterbilt. If you have any questions, reach out to your local GTG Peterbilt and we'll be glad to help.